Hello, I'm Grace Anderson. I'd like to introduce my services to you, my coaching services. I help women in particular to regain their confidence after they have had a breakup or divorce, and I enable them to make their lives good again by empowering them in various different ways to become the sort of person they want to be rather than what their ex had told them they were. If you've been in an abusive relationship, you know what I mean. Because your ex would have said to you, you're not good at all, or you can't do this, you can't do that. And they tend to pretend to know everything about you, and they tell you what you should do or what you shouldn't be doing. If you have been in a relationship like that, I won't be surprised that you're feeling down. If you've had a breakup or a divorce, it's even harder to think of yourself in a positive way. But I'm here to help. I know the feeling because I've been through a divorce myself, and I can help you get over your pain very fast with my tools and strategies, which have helped many women that I've coached in the past recover their happiness, and they've now moved on with their lives, rebuilding their lives positively for a much happier future. I also empower women who are professionals. If you are a professional and you're working and you're perhaps a wife as well, or you have a partner, it can be very difficult to put everything together and do everything perfectly well. You will find your partner is probably complaining you're not spending enough time with them, or you're not doing a lot at home, and one thing or other, and they make life quite difficult for you. And at the same time, you have challenges at work with either employees or teams that you're managing, and things are not working as well as they should. Because we all know there isn't enough time, most of the time, for us to do everything we want to do. But if you're in that situation, work with me so you can achieve a work-life balance without stressing yourself too much. We will look at your situation and I will plan with you what works and what doesn't work. It will be you dictating what you want to do, but I'm just here to guide you to make sure that you achieve all the goals that you have planned for yourself. Okay, so that is what I do, and I would like you to work with me, or if you know anybody who is looking for a coach like me, please send them my way. The other thing you can do is look on my website, www.drgraceanderson.com, and see all my services there. I coach couples in particular to regain their happiness. People get married thinking they will be happy forever. It doesn't always happen. A lot of us are, if you like, blinded by dopamine, a love chemical that runs around your head, making you feel that, oh, this person loves me and I love them and I can't do without them. Well, you'll find that within a few months into your relationship, or maybe if you're lucky, a year or two, everything seems to change. You start to wonder, who did I marry? Why did I marry this person? And you can't really understand it. But it's natural. It happens to everyone. So it's not just you. But it's important to know that and to know what is important between the two of you and how you can regain your peace and happiness again. So if you need a couples coaching, I'm here for you. Book a discovery call and we'll take it from there. Okay, so on this page, you should find a link for you to book a discovery call with me. You can also go to my website and you can book a discovery call there. Just look through the services and choose the one you want, and I'll be able to help you. I have courses as well that will help, and those courses are also available on my website. One of those courses, which is really doing very well with clients, is the Breakup Recovery Course, which is quite comprehensive because it shows you how to get over the pain and how to start to rebuild your life positively. So take a look anyway and reach out to me on my phone number or my email address. When you visit my website, you'll find them all there, and I'll be happy to connect with you. Okay? By all means, don't beat yourself up about anything. Be positive and live a happy life as much as you can. All right. Thank you. Thank you for watching this.